Polar plunge for Special Olympics is tomorrow, and some of the folks here at News 4 are taking the plunge into the chilly Lake Tahoe waters to support the athletes. Dina Kupfer introduces us to one very driven woman who literally climbed mountains to pursue her dreams.
Going out there, on your skis and stuff, and I like it.
27-year-old Erin Loveless is just like many Northern Nevadans. She has a love for being out on the snow and cross-country skiing, a sport her mother Marilyn once thought was out of her reach.
She had delays in walking and talking, and we just weren't sure where she would go.
But at 10 years old, Erin found her path in the backcountry, high in the Sierra.
My first time is just, I didn't know what to do. My dad just decided that, not to worry about it, just to have fun.
With the help of coaches at Spooner Lake, Erin practiced and eventually clicked in with the Special Olympics program.
It was a good experience for her, and it was great for us because it gave her some place to be.
Erin's hard work paid off, and she got the opportunity to compete in the Winter Games in Sun Valley, Idaho, a monumental moment for this athlete and her family.
I enjoyed it, and I would like to do it again sometime.
From one skier to another, I told Erin I'd be jumping in Lake Tahoe at this year's Polar Plunge for Special Olympics.
What do you think about that?
I'm thinking it's going to be cold.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Cold but worth it for athletes like Erin. In Reno, Dina Kupfer, News 4.
And Dina, along with Melissa Carlson and Jen Wall, will be braving the chilly waters of South Lake Tahoe tomorrow to raise money for the Special Olympics. Be sure to catch their chilly dip on News 4 at 5 tomorrow night.